This is it. Guys, luto na yung aking vegetable soup with artichoke. Ayan. Yummy. Tingnan nyo naman. Healthy living talaga yung aking alaga at panay vegetable yan. Guys, more on antioxidant po yung artichoke. Hello guys. Ito na po yung aking soup or vegetable soup. Ayan yung artichoke. Then ito yung cauliflower. May carrots. May potato. May kishuim or patola din po yan. Tapos mamaya ko lalagyan siya ng parsley. So yan. Healthy food ang aking lola. Healthy living siya. Kita nyo naman. Panay vegetable. So yan. Yan guys. Yan.